Yeah. Yeah, we will. Thank you.
So we're strolling here in Dubai. Yeah. Good morning, Dubai. So it's 8 in the morning here in Dubai as I'm strolling around here in this amazing tourist spot here in Dubai, in Burj Khalifa here at my back. Hello there. So as what's I gonna say, I mean, it's one of my favorite already. Dubai, you know, this is gonna be my second day and my second time here in Dubai. Wow. So that's it, guys. Hope you like our Dubai video, and that's it. Ciao. So we're here with the famous Burj Khalifa. And later we're gonna go inside the Dubai Mall. So here's something like we can, the shopping center here in Dubai. A lot of great things, a lot of great brands are here. So can't wait to see you later.
Cheap.
Yeah.
So restaurant.
Yeah.
Just to skyscrapers. Yeah.
This is City Walk.
City Walk.
Very famous.
Yes. On the left, yeah.
Now, 5-star.
It's 5-star hotel. You said, yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Wow. I mean, everything is 5-star here.
No, there is 7 stars.
Yeah.
Not in my country, we haven't such drivers. If you just drive.
Yeah, you go there. Okay, all these are beach.
Okay, sure.
My
Yeah.
request to give 5-star.
Yeah.
Also give 5-star.
Yeah, we will. Thank you.
So that's it, guys. Hope you like our Dubai video. Welcome to Dubai.